What's up, everyone? Welcome to Joe's Bikes. Today we have this 2022 Aprilia Tuono V4. Really cool bike here. It is in the silver and black color scheme with the Italian accents, of course. You get your red, white, and green. Awesome bike. Bike is in showroom condition. As you can see, this bike was babied by the previous owner. And do this walk around video to kind of give you an idea of the condition, give you some close-ups, go over some of the things that it has. This is a V4, as I had mentioned before. Tires are in fantastic shape. You can see they're like brand new. This is Aprilia's naked bike. A little bit more straight up, a little more comfortable seating position, but tons of power. These 1100s are an absolute blast to ride. And of course, it has the Brembo ABS brakes, all LED headlights. As I turn this on, I'll go through some of the things that it has. It does have cruise control. That's what that is for right there. Has selective ride mode. As you can see, the odometer reads 4,201 miles. Let's see if we can go through some of these modes here. You got user, tour, sport, back to user. Those we'll go through. It'll change your traction control and wheelie control settings. Let's fire this bike up. That is a stock exhaust, but it sounds incredible. Real racy sound to it. Your LED running lights, they look great. Very common on a Tuono. As you can see, all the bikes in the background, we are a licensed dealer, but we don't charge dealer fees. The price you see is the price out the door, and we can ship this anywhere in the country.